I want to leave, Sunday. I have a family to
SOS
see.
is done! We have the flare gun, Zud!
Wait, I have it.
We both have the flare gun. Zud, listen.
We're leaving. Can I go?
You remember? Hold on, let me call him. I'm gonna call him. Let me call him. Come on!
Who we're calling?
I hear
Yes, let's go!
I hear the helicopter.
I hear it too!
Here comes the helicopter, Zud!
Wait,
Listen before we go! Listen! Remember when I was flying the plane?
Yeah.
And I crashed it. Remember that? I didn't mean. Remember I crashed it?
You accidentally crashed it. It was an accident.
Yeah, I accidentally crashed it.
Okay.
And then you were sleeping for 5 days straight.
Yeah. Well, so it is 5 days.
And then
Why are
you
you laughing?
saw my bear.
You mean your
and
bear?
Then my dino.
What do you mean your dino?
And then
Sunday?
Sigils ate my fish.
You planted that fish, Sunday. Have you been killing us this whole time?
Met my wolf.
I
See
killed
this
your pet
helicopter?
wolf.
See this helicopter?
Yeah, there's 4 seats in it, so I can obviously. I mean, listen, I can
There's
forgive
more
you.
than
but
enough seats for all of us, but
Uh-huh.
only one can leave. Bye, Zod!
No, Sunday, no! No, take me with you, please don't leave me here!
Foi quando o Gyro finalmente entendeu. O universo não se importa comigo.
Besides, we're probably headed in the wrong direction.